And Don, I'm going to actually start with you, and I want you to paint a picture of the future 2 to 3 years from now. Fast forward. What's it look like out there 2 to 3 years from now?
Well, I'll say first and foremost, with the I'll say relative advent of CDOs, I view as maybe one of the more critical and integral executive leadership roles in organizations moving forward for the 21st century. We in the industry have to understand the CDO's role more effectively, our teams more extensively, in how the engagement model works. Sitting down with the CDO, understanding the strategy. The CDO has so many, as I understand it, humbly stated, a very diverse and multifaceted role with a pretty extensive team. So I think from an industry perspective, if you're looking at this through the lens of an Equinix, one of my team members at Equinix, we have typically been engaged with the networking, the cloud, the security, and other stakeholders in an organization, and we will continue to do that. They're all part and parcel to this discussion, but I think there's going to be a new focus in understanding the CDO's, not only the CDO's role, but the CDO's strategy and how they can leverage these advanced technologies that are rapidly emerging. From an industry perspective, we're actively recalibrating how we accommodate, high dense workloads that are being driven by AI with liquid cooling and other advanced technologies to accommodate this in the foreseeable future. But I think equally important is understanding what those requirements are from the authoritative voices of the CDO.